RankMath is a comprehensive WordPress plugin designed to optimize your website for search engines. It offers a wide range of features to help improve your website's SEO, search engine optimization, performance, and boost its visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. You can download the plugin of RankMath today. It's free. Link provided in video description. Now let's have a deep look of RankMath. What can you do with RankMath? With RankMath you can, on-page SEO optimization. RankMath provides tools to optimize your content for specific keywords, including optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, and images. It also helps you to add schema markup to enhance your website's appearance in search results. XML sitemap generation. The plugin automatically generates XML sitemaps for your website, making it easier for search engines to crawl and index your content. 404 Monitor. RankMath helps you monitor and fix 404 errors on your website, ensuring a smoother user experience and better SEO performance. Advanced SEO analysis. It provides insights into your website's SEO performance with detailed reports and analysis, allowing you to identify areas for improvement. Integration with Google Search Console. RankMath seamlessly integrates with Google Search Console, allowing you to view important website data directly from your WordPress dashboard. Regarding Content AI, provides valuable insights and guidance for optimizing your content to improve its search engine visibility. This includes features like keyword suggestions, content analysis, and readability checks, all aimed at helping you create high-quality, SEO-friendly content. In terms of pricing, RankMath offers both a free version and a paid pro version. The free version provides essential SEO features, while the pro version includes advanced functionalities such as advanced schema markup, Google Trends integration, and multiple keyword optimization. The pricing for the pro version typically ranges from around $6.99 to $49.99 per month billed annually, depending on the number of websites you want to use it on. Overall, RankMath is an excellent choice for WordPress users looking to enhance their website's SEO performance. Its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and affordability make it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced website owners. By using RankMath, you can optimize your website for search engines more effectively, ultimately driving more traffic and improving your online presence. Download RankMath plugin for free. Link in video description. Thank you for watching our video.